Hello everyone, CJLCT19 here with Ang the Misty Puppy and Harry the Alley Cat. And today we are going to be teaching you how to blow up marshmallows. Blow up a marshmallow in your microwave. Yeah. Here's the ingredients. Scissors, a marshmallow bag, marshmallow from the bag, and a paper plate, and a microwave. That's all you need to make this thing. So, I'm just gonna use the scissors to cut open the bag. I'm gonna use these. There we go. Woo! Okay. Then you just get the marshmallow. If you want one or two, you get one or two. I'm going to get two. Then you just come over here. Whoa. And wait. Going to put the marshmallows in. Good. Woohoo. Okay. Okay. There's the marshmallows. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Then you just put it for like 30 seconds. And then they will start to blow up. You will see them. See them? They're growing! They're growing! Oh, they're blowing up! 13, 12. Oh my gosh, they're huge! That one's gonna go off the plate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, that's big! It was big. Okay, when you get it out of the microwave, it might be hot. So be careful. You might want to press it down a little. And then you just put your fingers in it. And your hands might be sticky. And there you have it. Good. Some marshmallows. Blow. Oh, Todd! Yeah, be careful, it's hot. Well. And that is how you blow up marshmallows in your microwave. If you want to put like sprinkles on it, you can. If you like sprinkles on your marshmallows. Okay. Well.